Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So today I want to make a quick and honest, non-biased review on this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Balm. So this lip oil is supposed to be a dupe for the Dior lip oil, and I really like lip oils. So when I saw e.l.f. came out with a lip oil, I really wanted to test it out and use it for a couple of weeks to give you guys my honest review. This is the shade Rose Envy 82006, which is like this pinky, just like a normal, it's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And this is the packaging, which I really like. I feel like it's very compact, very small, and you can just throw it in whatever purse or jacket you're wearing that day. And there's three very important things that I really appreciate when it comes to a lip oil: that it's not sticky, that it's not super pigmented, but not just sheer. It has to have this certain tint that looks beautiful on the lips, makes it look like healthy, but also not super pigmented, if you know what I'm talking about. And last but not least, it's for the applicator to be a really nice size, very easy to put on, and for the packaging to just be like cute and comfortable. This lip oil is infused with jojoba oil, and it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is great. And it also comes in a ton of different other shades, which is really nice, because I know there's people that don't love the pinky shades. Maybe they prefer a brownier tone, but they have a ton of different shades. So I've been using this for a while. I don't know if you're able to see it, that it's not like new, but I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion about it. First off, I feel like the price is amazing. I just really like e.l.f. products because they're high quality makeup and the price is just unreal. So this color in specific, I really like because it looks very natural. And what I love about this, the applicator is super like big, and it's just very easy to put on. It's the perfect applicator and the perfect packaging. I've used the Dior lip oil before, and I just feel like it's not worth it spending that much money when you can get alternatives like this. I love e.l.f., and as I said before, it's not worth it to spend that much money on a product. So I'm just gonna reapply the product and put it in my hand later for you guys to be able to see the product, the color pigmentation, and overall it claims to be very shiny, which it is. As you can see, it just gives this pinky payoff. It's very shiny, and I just really like it. I'm gonna show you how it looks on my hand. This is what I'm talking about. For it to have a color pigmentation, but it's not super pigmented. It looks very natural, and I just really like it. This color in particular, I love. I would like to say that I bought it about 4 weeks ago. As you can see, I've been using it literally every single day. From my point of view, this lip oil is perfect. It's moisturizing. It's not sticky whatsoever. You'll see it's not sticky at all. And I just feel like it's so moisturizing as well. To finalize this honest review, I would totally recommend this lip oil to anyone that's looking for a lip oil, whether you have very dry lips or you're looking for a way to make your lips look healthier, a little bit of this flushed color. This shade is perfect. Definitely check this lip oil out from e.l.f. We'll have it linked down below. It is also super long lasting. I don't find myself reapplying like every 5 minutes like with other lip oils, and I just really like that aspect. If you're looking for a lip oil that's nice for everyday use, long lasting, shiny, not sticky, definitely check out this from e.l.f. Subscribe down below if you want more reviews like this, non-biased and honest from a long time of using the product. And yeah, see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.